As Apple's September launch event looms on the horizon, excitement builds around its next generation wearable devices, especially the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 3 and the rumored Apple Watch Series 10. The wearable technology landscape is constantly evolving, and Apple continues to push the boundaries with each new release. This in depth analysis will explore the design, features, and potential upgrades of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and how it compares to other models like the Apple Watch Series 10. Wearable technology has come a long way since its inception. With every new iteration, smartwatches are becoming more sophisticated, offering features that cater to a wide array of users, from fitness enthusiasts to tech-savvy professionals. The Apple Watch Ultra series, in particular, has carved out a niche in the market, offering rugged, high-performance devices that are designed to withstand the rigors of an active lifestyle. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is set to continue this trend, introducing enhancements that make it a formidable contender in the smartwatch market. The introduction of an OLED display in the Apple Watch Ultra 3 represents a significant leap forward in visual quality. OLED technology is renowned for its superior color accuracy, deeper blacks, and enhanced contrast ratios compared to traditional LED displays. One of the defining features of the Apple Watch Ultra series is its rugged, durable design. This makes it a favorite choice among athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and those who lead active lifestyles. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is no exception, offering a robust build quality that can withstand the challenges of extreme conditions. The Apple Watch Series 10 is rumored to feature a larger display and a thicker design compared to previous models. These changes could make it an attractive option for users who prioritize screen size and aesthetics. However, this focus on visual appeal may come at the expense of the rugged durability that defines the Ultra 3. For users who need a smartwatch that can handle rough conditions, the Ultra 3's design is likely to be more appealing. Pricing will play a crucial role in the decision-making process for potential buyers. If the Apple Watch Series 10 is priced lower than the Ultra 3, it may attract users looking for a premium smartwatch experience without the added cost of rugged features. On the other hand, the Ultra 3 is positioned as a high-end smartwatch, catering to a niche market of users who need durability and advanced features. If the OLED display and improved performance are must-haves, the Ultra 3 offers a worthwhile upgrade. As the Apple Watch Ultra 3 prepares to enter the market, potential buyers will need to carefully consider their needs and priorities. The rumored Apple Watch Series 10 offers a more affordable alternative with a potentially larger display, appealing to users who want a premium experience without the need for rugged features.